Welcome, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are diving deep into the topic that is vital for every online businesses, conversion rates. This comprehensive guide will help you understand, optimize and leverage conversion rates for your business success. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the basics. What are conversion rates? First things first, what are conversion rates? It's the percentage of your website visitors who take a desired action. That action could be anything from making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or filling out a form. Conversion rate is a critical indicator of your website's effectiveness. 2. Why conversion rates are critical for your online business. Let's discuss why conversion rates are so critical for your online business. Your conversion rate directly impacts your revenue. High traffic on your site is excellent, but if visitors aren't converting into customers, that traffic isn't translating into profits. 3. Step-by-step guide. How to calculate conversion rates. So how do you calculate conversion rates? It's quite simple. You divide the number of conversions by the total number of visitors and then multiply by 100 to get the percentage. This allows you to track your performance and make necessary adjustments. 4. Decoding the factors influencing your conversion rates. There are several factors that influence your conversion rates, like your website design, user experience, pricing, and even page load speed. Understanding these can help you optimize your website and boost conversions. 5. Best practices to improve your website's conversion rates. Now let's look at some best practices to improve conversion rates. This includes creating clear and compelling calls to action, providing a seamless user experience, and establishing trust with testimonials and reviews. 6. Exploring different types of conversion rates, micro and macro conversions. There are two types of conversions you should track: macro conversions, which are your primary goals, like purchases, and micro conversions, smaller actions that lead to a purchase. Both provide insights into your customer's journey. 7. Real-world case studies. Businesses that successfully boosted their conversion rates, 455-20. We can learn from businesses that have successfully boosted their conversion rates, like Dell's simplified checkout process, or HubSpot's personalized landing pages. These examples can provide actionable strategies for your own business. 8. Using A/B testing to optimize conversion rates. A/B testing is a powerful way to optimize conversion rates. This involves creating two versions of a web page and seeing which performs better. It's an excellent way to test different elements and find what works best for your audience. 9. Leveraging Google Analytics for conversion rate tracking. Google Analytics is a great tool for tracking your conversion rates. It helps you set goals, provides conversion reports, and offers insights about your audience, helping you make data-driven decisions. 10. Future trends. How AI and machine learning will impact conversion rates. Looking into the future, AI and machine learning are set to transform how we optimize conversion rates. They will enable more personalization, predictive analytics, and enhanced A/B testing, leading to higher conversion rates. So there you have it. Understanding and optimizing your conversion rates is a continuous journey, but it's one that can lead to significant rewards for your online business. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope you found it insightful. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please hit the like button, share it with your network. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights on how to boost your business success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.